In this video, I'm going to show you everything I use to make YouTube videos. All the gears are from hardware to software. I have my laptop here as well with everything that I have used before. So let's get started. So basically the first thing is of course the camera itself. It's actually I'm using this one, but I'll switch it to my phone and I'll show you this one. Okay, the camera that I use is this one is the DJI Action 4, and this is basically my only camera at this moment to film everything. And I love this one so much, I even start using it even before my UK London trip. I tried other brands, but I think this one is the most useful. I feel the most comfortable. Even A-roll, B-roll, everything, I only use this camera. So this one is an action camera, and I usually only shoot 1080p, not really 4K. It does the job really well. I'll switch back to filming with this camera now. Okay, and then the next one I have is the tripod. So this one is basically a must, and this one is also from DJI, and it also is a selfie stick combined. And I like it. This is a very tiny one because I am still shy most of the time filming outside, so a tiny little one is actually pretty good. And then along with this I have this one. Basically I just put it up there, and then I can attach the camera on top. Much easier to do to release the camera, so I just take it out that way. And the original one is not that good. Then nowadays when I film outside, I also carry a mic. This one is a DJI mic mini. I used to have a USB mic, but that one was not so good, so I changed to this one. And this one is actually very tiny, you see? And also there's a magnetic design, so I can tape it. So there's a clip as well, so I can clip it. So I can just clip it like this. My recent videos I all recorded using this mini, the mic mini. I have been using this for a long time, and this is the backpack strap, and I can put my phone on top of this. So when I wear the backpack, I wrap this thing around my strap, and my camera will be hold on like this. And I also, if you notice, I also got the exact same pop for this as well. Here I can adjust it, so I can move the camera a little bit this side or that side, up or down. I've been using this for quite a long time. However, because this part is actually starting to lose a little bit, so it doesn't really hold my strap very tight. So sometimes I didn't realize that this thing will kind of like slide down a little bit, so it does make my camera facing downward. But when I use this one, I usually will not use the selfie stick, either one. So I put the camera here, put it down here, and if I want to shoot myself, then I will release my camera and put it on here and do that. And this is the two things that I use. This is a power bank. I got it here. I got this one in Amazon, and this is a 40,000 milliamp power. This is a very big one, and because I got a lot of things to charge, I got a couple phones, I still got a whole lot more that I need to charge, so this thing is actually a must. I carry this one with me. Then after, I got this one. This one is basically a power bank, extra battery for my camera. And I got two more. So I got two more, so when I finish this battery, I can put it back here, and then I can just take it out and put it back into the camera, and it's 100%. But this one is not a charging case. It just that put it back, and to charge it, you need to charge it right here. So when you charge it, it will charge all three. but when you put it in, it doesn't charge the battery. Because when I bought this Action 4 camera, I got the more expensive combo, which include this one. Now let's talk about the phone. I have this iPhone 12 mini, and this is a small mini phone. The reason I got this was because sometimes when I go to the store, I would use this phone to film the B-roll. It is much better than taking the camera from my backpack strap and then put it focus more on the product. Basically, I just hold a very small phone and then do a close-up and do all the B-rolls that way. But now recently I stopped using it for B-roll because of the gear that I just bought, and I'm waiting for the package. A video editing app called Milo, and I still use it sometimes. If you remember, if you're my long-term viewer, you know that I have there were times that I put the subtitles, and that's because of the Milo app. So sometimes I will use this to put the subtitles in, and yeah, it really depends. But there's trouble here is because I don't have the iPad, I don't have an Apple computers, anything. So if I want to transfer the file to other, it is very difficult. I find there's basically no way for me to transfer the file from here to my other devices. And this one is the headphone. The reason I have it is because nowadays I use my Windows computer to do the video editing, and the speaker is not really that good for some reason. So when I edit my videos, I will put on my earphones so I can listen to what I say a little bit better. So this is not something that I bring it with me outside, but when I video edit, this is something that I use. Now let's talk about my phone. This is basically my main phone, and this is a Samsung phone here. Basically, when I finish filming in this DJI camera, I would transfer all these files to this phone here first, and then I'll go over everything and see all the clips are good. If not, then I will redo the video. So I would first transfer to here, and then I would transfer to my main laptop. I know this is not the best way to do it. I used to video edit in this iPhone too, and this one I use the Velo, and this one I also have the Luma Fusion. Nowadays I use this one to basically like a middleman to transfer to here and then transfer to here. Now I'm going to show you the computer I use to edit the video, and it is right here. Oops. And this is Lenovo, and this is a Legion gaming laptop, DaVinci Resolve 19, and I don't really pay it. I use the free version, and I'll just open whatever. Oops. I should have deleted. I must have deleted everything already. Let's open a new one. So basically, this is the video software that I use for editing. I'm not a pro at it. A lot of times it could be very messed up, and I just try to get things done. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I do my thumbnails and everything. It's going to be on my phone, so let's go over here, and here is my laptop. This is my screen recording, and let's go to Canva. So this is the app I do my thumbnail, and for example, this one is my channel banner, and I also so I do it right here, as you can see. And also from here, this is basically the template of my thumbnail. And what I do is basically I just remove this one and replace it with the new design, and then I do the text right here. Oh, actually, the software I created this image is not in Canva, it's actually in another app, and that is the photo room. So I do this one too. So basically I could create the outline around the person. So this is the app I use to create that. So the picture I created using this photo room app, and then the text I will do it on Canva. After I finish the text, I add the text there, then I will just export it, and that will be the thumbnail. So that would be the Canva, and where is it? The photo room is right next to each other. Yeah, so basically that's it. I'm sure a lot of people you have it like these earbuds, but one thing that I also use this for video editing is that when I transfer the file from a camera to this phone, when I kind of review the footages and see if it's alright, that I will put on this one just that I could listen to my voice a little bit clear before I import it to the laptop to do it. So yeah, this is basically everything that I use to create a video. I have my phone, I have this one earbud, I use the laptop, and I have this transfer, the power bank, DJI mic. I have this one here for my backpack. I got the selfie stick, I have the earphone, I have the iPhone. Okay, so the one I got is the Insta360. So the one I got was this one here. So this one is another backpack strap, but the good thing is magnetic selfie stick holster. So you can attach the selfie stick in there too, and this is very easy for this mechanism to work. So basically is that when there's like a backpack strap, and you can actually put it right here at the same time with this selfie stick. And once you finish, you just need to put it back and it clicks. And this is so much better than how I use it right now. Is I need to take it out and I need to put it in here and start shooting, and then once it's finished, then I need to take it out and put it back. So I constantly need to hold this thing in my hand, and that would be so much better. I'm waiting for that, and then I will give you an update later. So basically that is everything in this video. I'm waiting for that package. So yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.